Hello students, today we'll do exercise 5.5, question number 4. An engineer designs a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. The dish is 5 meter wide at the opening and the focus is placed at 1.2 meter from the vertex. Now position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex and the x-axis on the parabola's axis of symmetry and find an equation of the parabola. Second, find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. So here you are given a satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. So you can see this satellite dish with a parabolic cross section. This is a parabolic shape. The dish is 5 meter wide at the opening. So this is the opening AB. So this length AB is 5 meter. Okay, then the focus is placed at 1.2 meter from the vertex. So this is the vertex of the parabola. The length, the focal length is VS is 1.2 meters. So from the vertex to the focus is VS is 1.2 meters. Now position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex and the x-axis on the parabola's axis of symmetry and find the equation of the parabola. So this diagram, this is the dish, this is the satellite dish. So we can draw like this. So it is, they said it is, you have to draw the diagram, position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex. So this is the origin of the coordinate. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. So this is the origin. So the origin becomes the vertex. They ask you to position this coordinate system, position a coordinate system with the origin at the vertex. So the origin is the vertex and the x-axis as the parabola's axis of symmetry. So this is the x-axis and this is the axis of symmetry. There is a curve is symmetric above the x-axis and below the x-axis. The axis of symmetry is the x-axis. Now find the equation of this parabola. So the focus is at S. The focus is at S and VS is given as, what is the length VS? The focal distance given as 1.2 meters. So in a parabola you should know that VS from the vertex to the focus is equal to A. So VS is equal to A and that is equal to 1.2 meter. Now this parabola is open leftward. So this is open left. So the equation of the parabola is, this is open left. So because they ask you to take the x-axis as the axis of symmetry. So we are taking like this, open leftward. So the equation of this parabola is y square is 4ax. So A is 1.2. So y square is equal to 4 into 1.2 into x. So y square is equal to 4.8x. So that is the equation. The first part of the question is find the equation of this parabola. So we have formed the equation of the parabola. The second part of the question is find the depth of the satellite dish at the vertex. So depth at the vertex. This is the point C. So they ask you to find VC. They ask you to find the depth of the parabolic dish. Let us take this as AB. AB. So the length of AB, this is AB is, let us take this AB as the opening of this parabolic dish. So the length of AB is given as 5 meters. So they ask you to find the width, that is V, we name this point as P. So VP is asked, the depth of the parabolic dish. We don't know where the focus is, whether the focus is outside or here. So VP is asked. So length of VP is asked. So this length AB is 5 meter. So the point A, the x coordinate of A, let us take this as x1. BP as x1. So this is x1, and the y coordinate, this length AP is 2.5 because the full length AB is 5. So this length AP is 2.5. So this is x1 and this is 2.5. So the question is find the depth of this dish. So VP is asked. Y is 2.5 the whole square, 4.8 into x1. So that is equal to 5 by 2 the whole square is 25 by 4 into 4.8. 25 by 4 by 4.8 is x1. So x1 is 250 by 4 into 48. 24. This is 125 is equal to 1.3 meters. So the depth of the satellite dish is 1.3 meters. This is 1.3 meters.